Throughout your building's life cycle, there's everything to consider, and we're with you at every step. We design, deliver, install, and commission your solutions, and equip you with knowledge and custom training. We simplify door management with real-time insights and expert care. We keep things running smoothly by conducting regular preventative maintenance and supplying detailed documentation so you can always be sure of optimal performance and compliance with regulations. We resolve challenges fast with expert care you can rely on and get you the parts you need fast for a perfect fit and a longer life. And we future-proof your access solutions with seamless upgrades and modernization solutions that ensure enhanced security, efficiency, and reliability. Because at every step of your building's life cycle, we're there with everything for your peace of mind.